This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create a landing page in Figma. Open Figma and set up a new frame using a web preset. Name it after your campaign. Sketch a rough wireframe to map hero, features, social proof, and footer. Keep the layout simple and prioritize one conversion goal so visitors know exactly what to do next. Start your wireframe with basic shapes and placeholder text to test layout quickly in Figma. Use a 12-column grid and consistent gutters to keep alignment tidy across responsive sizes. Prioritize visual hierarchy by sizing headline, subheadline, and CTA for clarity, and iterate until flow feels natural and scannable. Move from wireframe to visual design by applying brand styles, typography, and imagery in Figma. Create components and variants for buttons, forms, and cards so updates propagate instantly across the file. Prototype key interactions and test flows to validate the CTA path, then refine spacing, copy, and microcopy until the page guides users to convert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.